and I still burned everything down. I've done things I ain't proud of. Things that always started with someone saying I was too much. So, I became less honest, less trusting, less me. But not you. God, not you. It's the noise, son. I wish it didn't get to me. But sometimes it feels like war drums beating inside my skull. Your screams echo, and I'm 5 again, cornered in a room I couldn't escape. I try to breathe through it, but my brain's already lit the flares. Fight or flight. And I'm tired of fighting. Tired of running too.